Good morning, children. How are you all? All are good? So, children, let's start this session with a prayer. Okay? So, join your hands and get ready for the prayer. Let's start, children. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasme Shri Guruve Namaha. Very good. So, children, let's start with the English subject. Okay, today we will start with the English subject. So, in your English subject, the very first thing that we are going to revise is the patterns. In your nursery, you have already learned patterns and alphabets, right? So, we will do a quick revision of the patterns. Even we will practice some pages given in this book for the patterns. Okay? So, children, firstly, we will see the first pattern. Okay? That is the sleeping line. How do you draw a sleeping line? From one point to another, right? Sleeping line from left to right, left to right. The line should be in the sleeping position, right? Which line is this? Sleeping line. Okay? If I'll tell you, here is the alphabet A and here is the alphabet B. Now I want you to connect this A to B. How you will do that? With the help of sleeping line. Okay? Understood? So children, now I would like to give you one more example of sleeping line. Now you can't identify what is this. But once if you draw a sleeping line in this way from one point to another, then you can make out what is this picture. Yes, this is a ladder. Okay? Understood? You can complete this picture of a ladder with the help of sleeping line. Once if you draw sleeping line from one point to another, this picture will get completed. Understood, children? I hope you all remembered the sleeping line. The line should be in the sleeping position. Okay? Now, children, you all might know that this is your book number 1, Shapes and Color. In this book, we are going to practice the sleeping line. Okay? So, open to this first page, English, page number 5. Sleeping and standing line. But today we will practice only sleeping line. Sleeping line. I am a sleeping line. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Draw me from left to right. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Okay? The line is in the sleeping position. Okay? Trace the sleeping line. Help the mouse get his cheese. Remember to go from left to right. So you all understood, children, what you have to do? You have to help this mouse to get his cheese with the help of sleeping line. So can you see the tracing dots? Yes. So you have to trace these dots. Once again tell me, which line is this? Sleeping line. In this way you will help the mouse to get his cheese. Okay? The line which is in sleeping position is called as sleeping line. So in this way you all have practiced the sleeping line pattern in your nursery session, right? So this is just a quick revision for you all. Okay? Because with the help of this pattern you will learn the lower case, that is small letters. in your junior KG. Okay, so in this way you have to practice sleeping line, page number 5, and then come to the next page, page number 6. Now over here we will do only the sleeping line part. Trace the sleeping lines from left to right. Now this is your 4 lines. You have to trace the sleeping line, but at the second blue line में ही आपको tracing करना है sleeping line का. Okay, in this way. Tracing dots are given for you all. So in this way you have to complete the sleeping lines. Understood? Sleeping line. Understood everyone? So this was for your today's session. We have revised only sleeping line. In your next English session we will revise standing line. Okay, so in this way you have to practice sleeping line on page number 5 and 6. Okay, only sleeping line. So children, now I hope you all have seen how we revised sleeping line. Yes, with the help of patterns you can write the alphabets very easily. I know you all have practiced uppercase alphabet, that is capital letter, in your nursery. So in junior we will learn the lowercase letter, but with the help of patterns. Pattern is very useful for us for practicing the letters. Understood children? Yes. So now take out your book, this book number 1, Shapes and Color, and start revising the sleeping line for today. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.